Good day everyone. I'm Dipesh Echdeja from RN Public School, Rudrapur, Uttarakhand. So, you know what? There's a lot of problem in accountant's life. And now I'm gonna solve it via my app named Click. So people, do you know what is the biggest issue in accountancy world? The issue of reconciling the data. That data you entered in Tally should be reconciled with the data entered in your GST website. That GST website provides us a .json file, and also our Tally provide us a .900 file. Then we have to reconcile it manually, but you know what, things are tough when it's manual, so let us automate things. So we'll be making an application which I have made, which will be using artificial intelligence in this artificial world which we have created by ourselves. It will be doing the things that no one has ever done, and with those prices you are never heard of. So the solution to that problem is our own reconciling tool, CLCK. In full words, it's Click. You just need to click it and it'll automatically reconcile as a standalone app. You just need to buy membership of rupees worth 450 rupees and you will be done for the whole month. So basically how it works, you'll provide us the JSON file and you will be also providing us your .900 file, and then one click later you will be having a whole dashboard full of your reconciliation work. Told you about the login page. Basically it's a prototype, so it will be a bit slower. So here I have entered my credentials and here it has login. So basically, first page is to start a new reconciliation. Here you have to enter your 3A file or 3B file or JSTR1 file. Here you have to enter your .900 file. And after that, you can click reconcile now. Here are the previous reconciles done by me. If you want to see those previous ones, just click on view report. Here's the dashboard. So this dashboard is showing everything that will be required by our app. And here are all the reconciles that you have taken almost 2 days to do. Next, subscription. This is the subscription page and it's 1 week free to use. This subscription page will tell you everything required for you to bill. When you click subscribe now, it will open the website of Razorpay and you can proceed forward.